The MIG-230 MIG welding machine is a powerful, heavy-duty wire feed welder that delivers professional results with superior arc quality, provides a tailored welding experience packed with resource-saving features at every turn, ideal for industry or workshop use. Unlock your welding potential. With the MIG-230, you'll become an expert in welding thin metal materials effortlessly. Advanced control software benefit from the patented digital control software technology that ensures precision and accuracy in every weld. Synergic function. Experience the power of the Synergic function, which optimizes the welding parameters for perfect results, enhanced efficiency. The inverter frequency of IGBT 35 kHz guarantees smooth and efficient welding operations. Welding parameters memoried function. Save time and effort by utilizing the welding parameters memoried function, allowing you to recall your preferred settings instantly. Safety first. The MIG-230 comes equipped with overload protection, as well as lost phase and lack voltage protection, ensuring expand your capabilities. This welder is compatible with industrial robots through communication modules, opening up new possibilities in automation. Versatile welding processes. Take advantage of multiple welding processes, including MIG-MAG, pulse MIG-MAG, and double pulse MIG-MAG for a wide range of applications. The MIG-230 double pulse MIG and Flux cord welding, the best welder for thin metal welding, user-friendly, ideal for industry or workshop use.